That guy's so unhappy with the fishing net around him. He's like, I just don't know what to do. Look at all of them out there swimming and playing. Look at Fatty Fat laying over on his back. And look at these little cute peas right here. The upside down one. Aww, look at it.
Put their heads straight up.
Yeah, I like the one in the back.